We've been doing a number of projects almost every summer, so, but one of the key strategic goals of the college is to improve the existing dorms. And some of our dorms are 60 years old, some are older than that. But we want to make sure that the dorms are in great condition, safe, modern, up to date. So we've gone through and done everything from mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and then some architectural things that we've done to Simpson and McIntyre to really bring it up to a standard where we're spending quite a bit to do that, but we're spending a lot less than we would if we built the same dorm today. If the money is available, if we have good economic times moving forward, we'll try to do mock next summer. If we can do it in one summer, and then Galloway following that, 2017. So that would be, we'd be through the major renovations of the older dorms. In a dorm, it's great if you can build community and have places to do that. So not everything's just focused on your room, it's actually focused on your community spaces. In Simpson, not only did we renovate the whole thing, but we created those community spaces where we can better deliver the mission. In McIntyre, we did the same thing. That's all on one level. I mean, it's 2 levels, but it's all on the same grade. We put an outdoor patio, outdoor fireplace. You connected the existing lobby to that fireplace. You connected, now you have these new common spaces and kitchens that connect to the patio. So it's very conducive to that. As far as Cyril goes, the renovation of the old Moore Center, that's geared towards outreach. We need to have a better venue for that. We need to have a place to do that. The Cyril Center will give us a place to host 700 guests at a time and a dinner, but it'll also improve campus morale in general because students will have a place for big dinners. We can have parents' weekend dinners there. When the 700 plus parents come in, we don't have to displace the students from the Grewcock Union. And eventually we'll renovate the upper area where the old snack bar is. That will become the career planning area. There's a cafe there, and you'll have a business center, and you'll have some things that will help the after hours. Our goal long term is, because the tennis courts were at the end of their life, they were at the point where you needed to tear them all up and start over. We thought we would rather relocate those up by the Bierman Center, because the Bierman Center is the tennis track building. If we had those 8 tennis courts there, then we would be able to go from inside, sometimes outside, depending on weather conditions. It would just be a much better way to manage tennis. And that's a much better location up top. Where the current tennis courts are, yes, that seems to be the ideal location for a fitness center that would have all turf. So you would certainly probably use it for football sometimes. You would probably use it for baseball and softball sometimes. That would be very convenient in the cool months. But you'd also use it for soccer club. You'd also use it for ultimate